How to save money on wedding flowers. You're embarking on a new journey of love and partnership, and planning a wedding is part of the excitement. Understanding wedding flowers. Flowers are a key component of any wedding, setting the ambiance and tone of your special day. The importance of wedding flowers. Flowers are more than just ornamental. They hold a symbolic significance that mirrors your individual preferences and aesthetics. Understanding common bridal flower types and prices. The first step is to learn the common bridal flower kinds and their usual prices. For instance, roses are adaptable and readily accessible all year round, but they can cost $3 to $7 per stem. Seasonal flowers. Flowers that are in season are not only fresher and last longer, but they're also more affordable. Choosing different flower arrangements. Another way to save is by choosing different flower arrangements to influence the overall look and feel of your wedding. Color schemes. Choosing flowers that fit your color scheme can mean you're not restricted to expensive, exotic blooms. Venue considerations. If you're getting married in a beautiful outdoor setting or an ornate church, you might not need as many flowers to create an impact. 3. Planning your wedding flowers budget. Understanding the costs. First, let's talk about what goes into the cost of wedding flowers. It's not just the flowers themselves, the cost of labor, delivery, setup, and more. Setting a budget. So, how much should you budget for wedding flowers? A common rule of thumb is to allocate about 8 to 10% of your wedding budget to flowers. Flowers with giant, showy heads, like hydrangeas, sunflowers, or dahlias, require fewer stems to create a full, rich bouquet. We have discussed ways to save money on wedding flowers, including setting a realistic budget, doing some of the work yourself, haggling with florists, and thinking outside the box regarding floral arrangements. For more details, check the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.